How's it going today, guys? Trucks and water here, and today is Friday. This is a very, very special vlog. It is the vlog of Ashley turns 23 tomorrow. So,
and so does Josh.
Yeah, my birthday is tomorrow too. Not a big deal. I turned 23, nothing to look forward to. What do you do? I'm just getting older and fatter. Anyways,
not possible.
Probably not. But anyways, we're back at our usual Sonic date. We're just gonna get probably our usual, and then I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. This whole week is gonna be one chaotic event. 'Cause not only is my birthday, it's Daytona prep time where I get the new mirrors on the truck, and it's gonna be a crazy weekend. So we'll see where this vlog goes. Not sure where it's gonna go, who's gonna be in it, or what's gonna go on, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. Today is June 1st. It is my birthday. I turned 23 years old this year. I know I don't look it. I look like I'm still like 12. But right now, I'm gonna go to my local wheel and tire shop. We're gonna do a tire rotation on this truck, road force balance the 20x12s before we head out to Daytona in like 3.5 days or something like that. It's crazy how time is flying right now. So then I'll do probably pick up Megan here shortly, and all that fun jazz. So like I said, we'll see where this weekend goes. All right, guys, I just got my wheels and tires balanced over here at G&T Discount Tire. They do my oil changes and stuff like that. Great guys. Information will be down in the link in the description. If you're around the Knoxville, Norris, Clinton area, come to them guys. They're fantastic. Like a homegrown type business, not part of a big chain or anything like that. So again, huge shout out to them. So right now I'm gonna go to my grandma's, have to get something, and then I don't know what the rest of the day is gonna entail, but yeah. So I was just at Honda and Yamaha of Knoxville looking for a key lanyard, because mine's kind of broken now after 4 years. They don't sell them. That's weird. Like you'd think a shop like that with all the accessories for like helmets, shirts, hats, you know, boots, riding gear and all that, on top of motorcycles, ATVs and UTVs, would think would have that, but they don't. So I gotta find a lanyard somewhere else, because this is getting annoying. My lanyard's broken. So a lot of you asked me why I don't have my gas cap on my truck. Well, I thought I explained in the last video. I don't remember if I did or didn't, but basically because they couldn't match up the paint for my end caps just based on the paint code number in the truck for some reason for my new caps and my new tow mirrors. So the guy asked me that he could take my gas lid off, and I said that's not a problem. So he took it off, and I haven't put it back on yet, which is gonna probably happen today. But that's what's going on with the truck. Later in this video you'll see the truck with the tow mirrors on it. I'm gonna make a separate video on how to, or there'll be a separate video on how to install them. Of course, tire will be popping up for that, and then all that fun jazz. So man, she's just starting to come along. I mean, I'm gonna have a dilemma here in a little bit though, and I'll explain in a later video, a later date, what the dilemma is with this truck. But it's not like I'm selling or anything, but it's kind of a dilemma. So stay tuned for that video. Today is Sunday. I just went to Walmart this morning. I had to get some like spray on stuff. I don't know what to call it, like the ceramic hydrophobic spray on stuff that allows you to prevents water, dust, dirt from sticking. It's kind of like a wax and kind of not, but anyways, we're gonna go back to the house, get these tow mirrors on the truck, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, we just picked up Meg's truck from the auto body shop. She had a mishap at work. A semi truck clipped her front end. Nothing major, just some grill and a little bit of the hood damage. So right now we're gonna be heading back to her house. It is currently Tuesday. We leave tomorrow for Daytona, so it's kind of a mad rush right now to get everything ready and set up and everything for tomorrow. It's just one of those days, trust me on that one. Anyways, so right now we're gonna head back and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so some time has passed since I last updated you on today. Megan, like I said, got our truck back from the shop.
It did.
Like I said before, semi-truck kind of clipped it in the parking lot. Not a big deal, just had some grill damage and some little bit of light hood damage. They got it all fixed. But we did some shopping today for Daytona tomorrow. So it's getting real. It's that time of year now. Thank the Lord, because I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Yes, he has, and he can finally stop talking about it.
I'm not gonna stop talking about it.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna head back to my house, settle in for the night, and then it's up early tomorrow and we're heading out. Alright guys, this is gonna do it for this vlog. This is the last vlog before the Daytona vlogs come out, so make sure you get ready and check those out when they go live. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like, new to the channel, please subscribe. Drilling Trucks and Water family are constantly growing and changing and trying new better things. I'm sorry this wasn't an action-packed video, that it wasn't full of, you know, craziness and stuff, but this is kind of just a precursor to the Daytona vlogs, so I cannot wait to show you those when they become live. Anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.